Who would have thought in 2025 we'd be blowing up lights? I'm not going camping. This makes a very strange noise, but we are. This is Neewer's lightweight light stick, as they call it, not tube, stick. It weighs around 260 grams, and with full brightness, the battery will last 50 minutes. This is only 10%. What's so special about this light is it's got a nice convenient pump on it. You can see here, it's got a nice area, and all you have to do is unplug it here, pull it in, and then pump away. I would say it takes between 10 and 15 seconds, so it's not a long time. On the back of it, you have a convenient USB-C port on the back, and you can see there's this seal on it as well, which means you can actually put it underwater and it's waterproof. Couldn't do that with a Pavo light. But you could also use a power bank as well. So by simply having this power bank, you can get more than 50 minutes worth of lighting on it at 100%. You can see how large this is, but packed up, it's only about that big. So you can take more than one of these and put them in your backpack for wherever you're going. And because it's only 260 grams, it's very light too. But what we want to know is actually how good the light is. I know if I was clicking on this video, I'm like, yeah, get to the point, Andy. Let's see how bright it goes. So to do that, let's switch off the lights. So this is at 10% at the moment. If I just go to the back here, you'll see that you've got your control panel just here. If you click the power button once, twice, this is 50%. You can see, oh, that's a nice scary movie look. You can see how bright we're going. This is now 75, 100%, and I'm blinding now. Right next to me, let's just put this light so you can actually see me. It's actually quite a good fun light. Anyway, right next to me I have a pole, and this is the next secret trick of it. It's magnetic on the back, which is really great. Because it's so light, we have a pole just here out of shot, which I'll just click it to. But better yet, if there's any metal around anywhere, you can magnetize to it. So let me just stick it on the ceiling. So guys, you can see this is just a different look now. We've got just an overhead light. But again, because it's so light, we've just got suspended ceilings in this studio, which means they can't take a lot of weight. So this is great. If you had several of these, you want to create a sci-fi look, this is a great option. But not only that, if you're filming in cars and places like that, you just put it on the bodywork, unless it's an electric car, because most of them are plastic. So let's have a little play and move it around. So this is about 2 meters away from me. So if you're going lightweight, traveling somewhere, you could use it as a main light. Right, let's move on to some other features. Neewer do give you a handy little magnetic device as well. Let me just show you this. This just hooks onto it, and you can see it's got a 3/4 mount plus some marks here so that you can just keep it stable as well. On the back, let me just turn this light down. Let's just turn it off. It'd be easier rather than blinding you and myself. On the back here, you can see it just magnetizes. And then you've got another one just over here as well. This is great because this means you can actually then connect this on top of your camera. I have seen some photos and videos where this is on top of the camera as a fill light. So super convenient. And again, it won't add much weight either. So once you've finished doing your shoot and you want to take this down and pack it away, there's a nice little convenient button just here, and you press this. We will have a little giggle around the sound, and you just then squeeze it down like so, and then fold it up, press it down, just like you're deflating anything. See how small that actually packs down. Part of the kit you get is obviously the thing to blow it up, and then off here as well, got a nice little bag to keep it all nice and compact. The best thing about this is the convenience. If you're in a tricky situation where you need a travel light, you're in a tight space or anything like that, this is such a versatile light that it can probably save your shoot. So guys, how much is it? It is not expensive. For this, it's $80. So getting a couple of these will really add to your lighting setup. More than anything, it is so small and convenient to pack away and carry with you. Small, lightweight, and compact. This is the bi-color version. For a little bit more money, you can get the RGB one, which we will do at some point, and I'll bring that video to you as well. But what do you think? Do you think you would add this to your kit? Do you think it's a bit gimmicky? Who knows? But I know for sure that we'll be using it. So if you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will love the review on the Pavo tube coming up next. Take care, guys. See you soon.